A data analyst uses data to acquire information about specific topics. This usually starts with the survey process, in which data analysts find, survey participants, and gather the needed information. The data is then interpreted and presented in forms such as charts or reports. Data analysts may also put their survey data in online databases. Individuals looking for data analyst jobs must be knowledgeable in computer programs such as Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Access, SharePoint, and SQL databases. Welcome to Brilliant Academic, the channel where we cover all things related to careers in academics. Today we're going to be looking at how much data analysts make here in South Africa. The salaries are as follows. Entry level, which is less than a year of experience, is about 198.1 thousand rands per year, which is about 16.5 thousand rands per month. Early career, which is 1 to 4 years of experience, is about 276.9 thousand rands per year, which is around 23.1 thousand rands per month. Mid-career, which is 5 to 9 years of experience, is about 392.2 thousand rands per year, which is about 32.7 thousand rands per month. Experienced, which is 10 to 19 years of experience, is about 452.8 thousand rands per year, which is around 37.7 thousand rands per month. Click here to find out how much senior data scientists earn, or click here to know what options you have if you do not want to go to university. That's it, you guys. Thanks for watching. Do check out my other videos, and as always, mischief managed.